So today is the second day that I am going to work in my classroom as we prepare for the 2020-2021 school year. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariely Sanchez and I'm a fourth grade teacher in South Florida. Today is Tuesday, August 18th, 2020. I'm actually starting my morning at my public storage and I have to unload everything that I loaded up my car with yesterday. Today is the first day that I have access to my storage unit. So I'm gonna go in, check it out, and start to bring some things in. So let's go ahead and get this done. Okay, just made it to my storage unit. It's not that far from the elevator, it's on the second floor. So I'm just gonna open and turn on the light. I brought my cart, my very old raggedy cart, with one of the crates that I packed yesterday. So this is my storage unit. This is dark right now. We have light here. There we go. Okay, this is a good space. I think it's enough for what I need to do. Let's get going. Okay, I unloaded a couple of things, not everything. Beanbag in the storage unit. I think I'm just gonna put it somewhere in my house. And the other things, I'm just gonna need some help to bring those in the storage. So I'll wait a little later. I won't be able to pack up my car with a lot of things today. But again, I will take it little by little and see what things I can take today for my classroom. Maybe make a trip over here, maybe during lunchtime or so. It's a planning day. We can do things like this. So yeah, let me get going. So since my brother is close to my storage place, I decided that I'm just gonna drop off my beanbag at his apartment and I'll have a place to sit when I come visit. Sounds like a plan. Back in the classroom. Don't know how much we'll accomplish today, but we'll work on carrying a couple things to the car. I don't have any help today, so it's all on me. I'm thinking of emptying this cart that I have here and maybe using it to roll down, like in one trip, a whole bunch of stuff to the car. So I'll work on that and I'll give you an update. The cart has been officially cleared and ready for me to load it up. Now, if you ask me what it is that I'm actually loading onto this cart right now, I have no clue. I'm still like looking around this classroom, figuring out what it is that I want to take right now. And my heart's just not in it. So let me sit and contemplate and figure it out. All right, so we're actually gonna interrupt this video for a brief lunch break. And I bought some carne asada with gallo pinto, which is basically rice with beans and steak. Here it is. Ta-da! And I have a salad here. And of course, some hot sauce to go along with it. Yum. I actually haven't eaten all day, so I'm going to eat and maybe that will help me focus a little bit better on what I want to tackle today in the classroom. Now it's time to get back to trying to be productive. So I started to fill up the cart with things that I thought I would just take. I literally started just taking things from the edges or things that were in between the bookshelves that are on top of the cabinet. So that's what the cart looks like now. I gotta put more things in there. So this is my director's chair and some other decorations that were in the classroom. I also noticed that one of the recycling bins was in the middle of the hallway, pretty much empty. And I have all of these consumable math and science textbooks to recycle. So I brought the trash can or the recycle bin in my classroom so I can dump them in. So there's the recycle bin right there. And I have to get all these science and all the math that are up there. Not these, not the hardcovers, but the consumables. And I'll just dump them in there and put the recycling bin back in the middle of the hallway for other teachers to use. So let's go ahead and do that now. Just put the recycling back and I came in here and I went 2 different times to the trash can at the end of the hallway because we can't put any trash outside our rooms. We have to actually go to the containers that they placed in each floor to throw everything out. So I was throwing some things away And now I'm thinking, before I put these things that I'm putting in the cart in the car, cart to car. I think I want to try and take this bookshelf down to the car first. So let me use the dolly that my friend left me and do that. Hopefully I can do it all on my own. So here we go. One bookshelf successfully placed inside my car. And oh my goodness, that trip was not easy. Earlier, I took off my ACE bandage for my ankle because the movement back and forth just makes my foot swell. And within the ACE wrap bandage, it just constricts it more and the pain was really bad. So I've been walking around without the ACE bandage on. But now, going to the car and coming back and doing all that walking, my foot hurts, even though I don't have any bandage on it. So let me take a breather, let me relax. I'm gonna load up that cart. That'll be the last thing I load up. It's not even, I feel like I haven't been able to do much today because it's just my foot. It's not easy. Like I said yesterday, I wanna do so much, but I can't. I'm limited. And it's like, I haven't been that mobile recently, obviously, because of this injury. So I'm doing more walking and moving around than usual, and it's exhausting and it's painful and I don't know what else to do. And I'm just so frustrated. It's almost 3 o'clock now. So like I said, I'm going to figure out what else to put in this cart or on this cart and then take it to the car, and then that'll be it because no more for today. Okay, I'll check back in with you once I do that. I packed up the car with what I thought I would be able to take right now. I'm even taking 2 of my little stools that I got from Five Below. I have 2 more, but I'll take those on another day. And this 3-drawer cart, I ended up emptying the bottom shelf. These are just things that I'm gonna leave in the office for anyone who wants them. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and roll this cart down to my car. And then I'm gonna come back upstairs and I have my rolling cart that I brought with me. This morning, I'm gonna fill it up with some other things, put those things in the car, and then call it a day. Because I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I'm out of breath, my foot hurts a lot, so taking it easy and rolling this thing downstairs. Just came back from unloading that cart with all the stuff in my car. I'm not gonna fill up this cart, the rolling cart, with more things because I just don't have that much space for more things. I even now have to make space to put this cart in my car, because I still needed to unload things from the back. So I'm gonna go home. And when I get home, I'll ask some people to help me go to storage and unload everything because I'm exhausted. My feet hurt a lot. My ankle hurts a lot. It's throbbing right now. And the time is now 3:23. So definitely time to get going. I made it to the car, but I have to say, I'm practically in tears because my foot hurts a lot and it is swollen. I had to take off my shoe and my sock and it hurts. I have to just drive home little by little. I wanted to show you how I packed up the car, but it's basically what I already showed you that I was gonna take. So that's it for day 2 in the classroom. Back to school 2020-2021 school year. Tomorrow and the next 2 days, and the next 3 days actually, including tomorrow, it's a whole bunch of virtual meetings and professional development. So I'll do that from home and try to stay off my feet tomorrow and let it rest. But yeah, I'm in a lot of pain right now. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought or any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile. Hello dreamers, wishers, and magical thinkers. Thank you so much for making it to the very end of this video and for showing your support. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on my picture down here. You can also check out my latest videos here and here. Don't forget to believe in the magic that's inside you because you are capable of great things. See you next time.